In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and customize form widgets in Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. Click plus create, select form, choose start from scratch and then select classic form. Once the form builder opens, click add form element from the left panel, then switch to the widgets tab. Browse the available widgets or use the search bar to find the one you need. For this example, search for checklist. Click the widget to add it to your form. To customize it, click the magic wand icon on the widget. In the settings panel, edit the default checklist items and replace them with your own options. Under the General tab, you can add more checklist items, remove existing ones, or enable options such as hiding unchecked items depending on the widget you're using. Next, click the gear icon to open the field properties. Here you can adjust the widget's alignment, width, and other display settings to match your form layout. If you need additional customization, open the Advanced tab. From here, you can rename the field, change the field label, move it to a new line, adjust its size, or hide the field when needed. Once you're finished, Jotform saves your changes automatically, so your customized widget is ready to use. That's how to add and customize form widgets in Jotform. Thanks for watching.